One of the ways in which you can go ahead and upload out files within Terabox is by simply dragging and dropping them onto the window. So here you can see that I have the web page opened up, and here I got some files. If I want to go ahead and upload it out right here, then all I need to do is click and drag out the file right here, just like this, and the file will be uploaded just like this in the current directory. I can also go around over here onto, let's say, for example, certain folder right here, select out the files by clicking and dragging right here, and then you can go ahead and click and drag out all of the files right here, just like this, and upload out all the files just like that as well. And it will be uploaded just like this onto the current directory right here, just like this. So this is what you have. You can bring in one file or multiple files as you need inside of Terabox, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.